Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use your credits on CNFans. CNFans credits work like virtual money on the platform. You can use them to support creators, unlock exclusive content, or access premium features. Once you're logged into your CNFans account, start by checking your available credits. To do this, click on your profile icon in the top right corner, then select My Wallet. Here, you'll see your total balance and any recent transactions. Now, to use your credits, go to the page of the creator or post you want to support. You'll usually see a button that says Unlock, Tip, or Subscribe. When you click on it, CNFans will ask if you want to use your available credits for the purchase. Confirm the amount, and the credits will automatically be deducted from your wallet balance. If you don't have enough credits, CNFans will give you an option to top up instantly using your preferred payment method. After completing your transaction, you'll immediately get access to the content you paid for, whether it's a premium post, private message, or exclusive video. You can also track every purchase under your wallet history, which helps you manage how you're spending your credits. And that's it. Using credits on CNFans is super easy once you know where to look. It's just a few clicks to unlock exclusive content and show support to your favorite creators. Subscribe the channel for more videos.